Hello, you guys. Hey, I wanted to give you a quick little video tutorial on that very odd little gift you got from me. I realize that some of you may not know what it is you got and went, what did Connie send me? Guys, this is an amazing little tool. It's called an adhesive eraser. What I love about this is you're going to keep this forever. It's never going to get used up. It's never going to need to be replaced. What this little magic tool is going to do is help you when you have a situation, and we've all done it. Oh, I don't like that color. I want to take this off. So let's say we take this little die cut off of here, and what happens? We have adhesive left behind on that piece of designer series paper. You want to take it off. This is an adhesive remover. You simply rub this along that adhesive, and this little rubber, it just pulls it right off. Can you see that? Yeah, it just pulls it right off, and you just simply take the corners, clean them from time to time. Let me show you too with this one. So let's say, well, I really want to reuse this die cut image again, but I've decided not to use it on this project. Same thing. I'm going to zoom in so you can see. Can you see how that's just pulling that adhesive right off of there? And you can change to another corner because, oh, that's super sticky. It does start to, the corners are going to start to get gummy. So you're going to want to take that and just pull it off. And yeah, it just takes and removes that adhesive. You can kind of see where it starts to get dark, so you can easily see where it is. And guys, I am free of adhesive right there. Or perhaps this has happened. Your adhesive has gone off just a little bit. Come in with that eraser right along that adhesive. It's going to pull it right off. Now, as I said, you're going to want to clean this from time to time, and you just simply pull off any of that adhesive that's on there, and you can just stick that to, a little scrap piece of paper. We can throw that, all those little adhesive goobers, let's get rid of those. I also want to take a moment just to apologize for the delay in getting that gift out to you this month. Between COVID causing my adhesive erasers to be on back order for much longer than I was promised, to the post office not being able to decide how much I could ship them for. I was told 70 cents. Came in $4.20. And the post office had to go back and forth with me many, many times trying to decide how that could be mailed. And it was because of the thickness. Doesn't matter. I'm thrilled to get it to you. I think this is going to be an invaluable tool in your stamp room, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you again for your loyalty to Simply Simple Stamping, and I hope you enjoy this month's gift.